In this video, I will guide you through on how to transfer from Robinhood crypto wallet over to Phantom wallet. And what you need to do for this is you need to open up your Robinhood wallet and then from there go ahead and click on send. And now you need to select the crypto that you want to transfer. So in this tutorial, I'm going with Bitcoin. So I'm going to select Bitcoin in here. And now we need to enter our wallet address in here by clicking on enter address. And in order to get this wallet address, we need to go to Phantom wallet to get it. So from our Phantom wallet, we are going to click on receive. And once you click on receive, you need to select the same crypto that you want to have a wallet address for as you are going to send from Robinhood. So in my tutorial, I'm going with Bitcoin. So I'm going to Bitcoin in here, and then I'm going to click on copy, and you have Taproot and native SegWit in here, and you can use both. I'm just going with Taproot, and now I'm going back to Robinhood to paste this in. So I'm going to click on paste in here, and I'm going to click on continue. And after that, you can enter the amount that you want to transfer. So let's say I want to transfer $2 of BTC. Then I'm going to click on review in here. And now you will see all of the transaction details. And you can also see the fees that are included in this transfer. And here you can just check all of the transaction details. So you will see the fees and the estimated fees. And then you can click on submit down below. And then you will confirm this with your Face ID. And then you are finalizing this transfer. So if you want to do this, go ahead and click on submit. And after that, it will take a couple of minutes, maybe up to an hour before it is arrived in your Phantom wallet. So that is how you do it. It's really easy and simple. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.